This low-carb chili goodness is made thanks to one simple appliance, the slow cooker. When it comes to chili, I've always preferred more meat and fewer beans, or no beans at all. Now, this is one recipe the whole Fuentes family loves and many families in our Mamables community. I've already made this video with the chili on the stovetop, but you guys are always asking, how can I make this recipe in the slow cooker? So today, I'm gonna totally show you. So if you're doing low carb or paleo, you can still enjoy a huge bowl of chili because no beans. So now that I've finished slicing the zucchini, I'm gonna heat some oil in a large pan and break up my beef and onion. I'm gonna break up the meat with a spatula and brown it until it's cooked through. Now while that's cooking, I'm moving on to my celery and carrots. Now another great thing about this recipe is that it's loaded with veggies, but they get cooked down with the spices and the beef, so even the kids can enjoy it and they get a double serving of veggies. Now in the slow cooker, the zucchini will cook down really soft, so a lot of people, what they do is they save the zucchini for last and they add it in the last hour. So that's definitely an option. By the way, this is also a great recipe to meal prep the night before. Put it in the slow cooker in the morning, and when you get home from work, it's so ready. Okay, so now that the beef is ready and all my veggies are chopped, we're just gonna put everything in the slow cooker. Then the celery, carrots, chili powder, cumin, oregano, cayenne pepper, salt, zucchini, tomato puree, and diced tomatoes. We're gonna give this a quick stir, cover it, and we're gonna set it to cook on high for 4 hours or 6 hours on low. This chili smells incredible. Seriously guys, do yourself a favor and make it. You're never too busy to make this recipe. Ladle some up in a bowl. Now I treat this like other chili and add some shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, and some avocado. So hearty. It's really like robust flavors. I can't wait for you to try this. If you want more fresh meal ideas, then you're at the right place. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week. See you around.